My life is different now because I'm not just in an isolated little studio. I have learnt that there are other people out there going through very similar learning curves and sharing these ideas. I am Catherine Felchi. I live in Melbourne, Australia, and my primary instrument that I'm teaching is piano. I have my private practice that I teach from at home. Before I joined TopMusicPro, it was very much a very isolated cocoon environment. So you can forget sometimes you're in your own little world, just teaching your students, hoping you're doing the right thing. And then later on, you realize, oh, there's other people out there with these wonderful ideas. So you pick a little bit here and a little bit there and put it all together. I think the biggest thing that I've gotten out of this in the huge scheme of all this is that I've had the affirmations come back to say, hey, I am on the right track. I am a good teacher. I have got the skills. And even though this person might be doing it that particular way, and I might have borrowed maybe a few ideas, there's a lot of ideas that I've had myself as well. And it's kind of been reaffirming. And the communication that's been open with some of these other teachers as well has been lovely. I think the best resource for me was just that door opening up to say, hey, I can talk with other teachers. We can share ideas. There's a place to discuss this, and I can follow this discussion in a nice way. Facebook serves a purpose in that as well, but it doesn't group your topics the same way. So the forum and being able to, hey, I need to revisit that idea that I asked somebody about 6 months ago. I can come back. Definitely worth the investment. I believe that when you're trying to open up your resources for what's intellectual going on, you need to have a lot of those ideas coming in, and sometimes it can be overwhelming at the start, but it's priceless what's in there. It really is. Yes, I would recommend TopMusicPro. I would recommend all sorts of teachers, all different personalities, because we all end up learning from each other. It's not just for the outgoing person. You don't need to actually talk to anybody straight up front. You can actually just jump on there and do a couple of the courses, see the videos, and then if you've got questions, just ask it in the forum. You don't have to start off big, just start off baby steps.